My name is Ryan Atkinson.
And I'm JD Kermode.
JD and I are partners with the law firm of Atkinson, Sims & Kermode. Today we're talking about bankruptcy topics and trying to cover some general questions that people may have about the process. And we wanted to talk about Chapter 13 today. There are different types of bankruptcy that individuals would consider filing under. Generally, it's going to be under Chapter 7 or Chapter 13. Chapter 13 is a bankruptcy that we refer to as a reorganization bankruptcy or a income earners bankruptcy. And what that simply means is for individuals that have regular income that can support a Chapter 13 plan, Chapter 13 may be appropriate in your case. Chapter 13 can offer a variety of options and solutions depending on the circumstance of your case. A common situation that an individual would want to file Chapter 13 would be in a situation where maybe they've fallen behind on house payments, or even worse, maybe a foreclosure has been started, or a sale date is pending. Well, Chapter 13 is a tool that we can use to not only stop the collection efforts by the lender, but also catch up those house payments over time. It gives that individual a chance to regroup, stop the foreclosure, and save their house.
Probably one of the biggest concerns for people is if they're going to do a Chapter 13 and they talk about repaying their debts. The fear is that they're going to have to continue to make their credit card payments that they already can't afford to pay back. But what you're doing is you're consolidating those bills and your medical bills and things like that into one single payment. And a lot of times you're just paying back a small percentage of what you owe, and whatever you don't pay back goes away at the end of the Chapter 13.
JD, what do you see as options available for individuals that have a car payment that maybe it's a high interest rate or maybe even upside down on their car loan?
Well, sometimes we can change the terms of the car loan. You can lower the interest rate if you have a high interest rate loan, 18, 19%. Sometimes if you're upside down, the Chapter 13 process allows you to only buy the car back essentially for what the car is currently worth.
I think you would probably agree that a 13 can offer a lot of options for individuals, but it is fact specific, meaning your case may be different than another case. For that reason, it's important that you talk to an attorney that understands these options and these scenarios and then give you advice that will be appropriate to your situation. Once you have that advice, that information, then you can make the decision how you want to proceed.